Wir sind mittendrin in den Analogtagen 2025 und ja, schwenken jetzt erstmal ein bisschen weiter weg. Wir schwenken nach China. Warum nach China? Da sitzt eine Firma, die man vielleicht gar nicht, ja, direkt auf dem Zettel hat, wenn es um Spitzenprodukte in diesem Bereich gibt, die allerdings seit einigen Jahren schon für Gesprächsstoff sorgt in der Szene. Gegründet 1999, was eine interessante Zahl ist, weil es die CD da schon längst gab. Also eine ganz bewusste Entscheidung, in diesen analogen Markt zu gehen. Erstmal als Bauer von Röhrenverstärkern, dann auch von CD-Playern parallel. Dann aber langsam das Geschäft entwickelt und in den Bereich Tonabnehmer gegangen. Und das ist genau der Bereich, der heute ganz besonders stark ist und für Furore sorgt. Entwicklungen, Fertigungen passieren da alle in diesem Haus, das wir uns anschauen können. Man produziert nicht nur für sich, sondern auch für andere Unternehmen mittlerweile. Spannend finde ich, obwohl ja die Marke hierzulande noch ein bisschen exotisch klingt, hat sie eben schon sehr, sehr viele Fans, gibt es schon sehr, sehr viele Rückmeldungen international auf diese Produkte. Und weil ja Bilder deutlich mehr erklären können, verständlich machen können als nur Worte, zeigt uns der Juniorchef von, ich sage es jetzt, Sky Analog, das ist Aaron Leung, die Fabrik. Das heißt, er geht rein und wir dürfen folgen. Bitteschön.
Welcome to Sky Analog. I'm Aaron, Sky Analog's OEM and Manufacturing Director. In the world of vinyl playback, MC cartridges are often considered the most exquisite creations. But why is crafting one such a demanding art? Today, let me take you behind the scenes to reveal how a Sky Analog cartridge comes to life. One thing worth noting, Sky Analog operates with a distributed factory design. This machining center, located in the suburbs, covers about 1,000 square meters and is dedicated to producing all our components. Meanwhile, our downtown assembly center handles coil winding, cartridge assembly, and quality control. This setup not only complies better with government regulations, but also makes commuting easier for our employees. Let's start here at the tea table of Sky Analog's founder, Jack. You'll notice part of his art collection displayed here. Whenever he faced challenges in design, he would sit here, sip a cup of tea, and meditate, often finding the spark of inspiration that led to breakthroughs. Now we step into our CNC workshop. Here we have 8 T650 CNC stations and 1 CNC lathe. The T650 machine features a working table of 650 multiplied by 475 mm, a spindle speed of 20,000 rpm, and supports automatic high-speed tooling changing with 16 cutting tools. This setup greatly improves both efficiency and repeatability. You might wonder, why do we need so many CNC machines for such small parts? The reason is, at this microscopic scale, even the slightest vibration, thermal expansion, or tooling deviation can cause significant error. That's why we've invested in 8 CNC stations and employ high-speed, low-fit machining strategies with rigorously programming. Efficiency is always secondary to precision. Take this yoke for example. One batch uses 90 pieces, yet requires 17 hours for machining. A large CNC investment is the only way to compensate for the time-intensive precision work. As you can see, the finishing of this yoke is so smooth that no secondary processing is required before post-treatment. In total, the full machining cycle takes about 17 hours. The result ensures both uniform magnetic flux and superior mechanical properties, crucial for MC cartridge performance. Over here, these machines are producing the cartridge housings. Since the heart of an MC cartridge lies in its tiny coils and suspension system, the housing plays a critical role to avoid unnecessary resonance by its rigidity and mass. Remember, when a stylus traces a record groove, only microscopic vibrations are generated. In the case of MC cartridges, these under-milliwatt signals are amplified thousands of times through the phono stage, so even the slightest unwanted resonance becomes audible. A well-built housing provides both sonic refinement and a black, silent background. You can see this housing has a flawless surface finish. After sandblasting it, It will be anodized for optimal performance. Exiting the CNC workshop, the glass room is for random visual inspection of the machine parts. This hall will soon host the assembly of some of our electronic products, such as phono preamps. Now we arrive at our downtown assembly center. Let's step into the pre-assembly area. Most of our staff are women who have undergone extensive training. Each one specializes in a particular task. This lady is applying insulation lacquer to the iron armature. This coating prevents premature aging and ensures long-term reliability. This lady is winding the coils. These coils use wires just 0.03 millimeters. Her precise, tight windings minimizes unwanted electromagnetic coupling and parasitic capacitance. This ensures that even the tiniest groove vibrations picked up by the stylus are fully translated into musical signal. Over here, this lady is installing the coils onto the cartridge base and carefully positioning the header wires. They are temporarily secured with tape before being soldered firmly onto the cartridge pins. Now we arrive at the quality control station. We use the latest audio precision analyzers with the latest software subscriptions. Notably, we adopt fully balanced connections. The cartridge output is fed directly into the analyzer without any phono stage in between. This guarantees higher testing accuracy and simplifies workflow. As you can see here, this cartridge under test achieves outstanding channel balance and channel separation. Finally, every cartridge goes through subjective listening test in our listening room. After passing all objective measurements, we must confirm its musicality before packaging and shipment. So, what do you think? Although MC cartridges are extremely small, their manufacturing demands significant craftsmanship and investment. As Sky Analog, we remain dedicated to pursuing perfection with true artisan spirit.